Hey boys and girls, Chris the Carpenter, RocketBrandStudios.com. Hey, I built another printer. Okay, this is the first iteration. This is a Prusa i3. It's the first frame I cut, and with the 3D printed corners. And I bumped up to the almost all laser cut version, which in my case I actually had to do on the CNC because this is too big to fit in my laser cutter. But it's all 1/4 inch MDF. All the electronics are really nice and tidy. All the wires route really, really well. You can see I've got T-track bolts missing because everything's glued, so I had to pull those out, and maybe I'll put them back in to kind of make it look prettier. But I'm certainly going to cut another frame. So this will be, proof of concept working, and then I want to make a prettier one. Like here, example, I want to extend that top so I can put the LCD on the frame instead of this rinky-dink plastic, extra bolted on. It needs a spool holder, little stuff like that. And I think I'm going to try a Bowden extruder as well, an external extruder. I actually designed this for one. You can see here this aluminum bracket I made. It's an eBay hot end. So it has the funny fitting that's metric and da-da-da-da. So I actually milled this little aluminum bracket out of some solid bar stock, and the top piece right up there is actually threaded to fit the quick connect for the PTFE tubing. So I think I might run the external there. There's my cutie little cooling fans. All of these guys were printed on my original machine up there. Extruders printed on the machine, all the plastic parts. Well, what else? I really love the design. It's a very, very least number of parts design. Oh, there's another one. On the new printer, that will be laser cut, and I think I'll probably mill these out of solid aluminum. And this is my first printer with an SD card. I'm currently printing off a USB right now, but the SD card works just incredibly good. And if you have any production pieces or things that you're going to print on a regular basis, you can just store you just basically turn the machine on and hit a file, and it goes. It's really, 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 really slick. So printing PLA right now, but I did the heated bed so I could have either. And I think that's it. It's a great little printer. Oh yeah, I forgot. If you are on Cape Cod and I've been talking to you about 3D printers, this is the machine that I'm talking about. Sorry, I should maybe start with that. I think I'm in the $350 to $400 range for everything. I mean, not if I build it for you. I mean, there's obviously some labor costs, but I'm thinking about some kind of co-op where I can production print all the parts, buy everything in bulk, and then we'll have like a big 3D printer assembly party down in the basement, like on a Saturday. And if 6 of us come down making 6 printers, then we could assembly line the whole things. I bet we could do the whole shebang in like 2 hours, and I bet everyone will be printing that afternoon. So at any rate, this is the guy I'm looking at after I do some tweaks to design and tidy it up to my liking. But it's turning out to be a really, really good, solid, very fast printer. I hit 150 millimeters a second yesterday. So yeah, it's nice. All right, that's 4 minutes. That's close. That's enough. Chris the Carpenter, Rocket Brand Studios. More to come and more details. Did I say Rocket Brand Studios? I think so. Okay. Ting!